Ready?
What?
Ready?
No, I thought there would be more time.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi everyone, thanks for joining me for this video. Today we have my husband here with me and we are going to wax his nose. So we got this on Amazon. It is a nose hair waxing kit. And Matthew has kindly volunteered, stop being so weird, to be my model. So let's open this up and see what our directions say. We got some mustache stickers, not sure why. Do we have instructions in here? Do you want to say hi, baby?
Hi.
Alright. Oh god, clean and moisturize the nose before and after using. Okay. Okay. We just melt the wax in the microwave. It says we can. Oh, the stickers are to protect your mustache. We cover your mustache with the sticker so that you don't get wax in it. So that's handy. So we have our wax pebbles and our little cups and our nose sticks. And I think these are the throwaway cups that the wax goes in. So we're gonna prep this. I don't know how much wax. 5 grams or 100 beads. Cover the bottom of the paper cup. 20 mils of water, put in the microwave for 60 to 90 seconds. All right, can you hold this? Are you just staring straight into the camera the whole time? Okay. Is that even in shot? Nope. You think that's enough?
No.
It says to cover the bottom of the cup.
More.
Well, we don't want to waste it. What if we want to do it more than once? I think that's enough. Alright. I'm going to go get some water and nuke this.
And I'm going to rinse and moisturize my nose.
No, you're not. You don't have any moisturizer. That's too much water. Get your hand out of my shot.
I'm rinsing my nose. I don't care what you say.
Are you breathing water in your nose?
Yes.
So we got our wax melted. The cup almost looks like it's gonna fall through, so I'm gonna leave it in the water cup. But it is melted. And these are our nose sticks. This is what's going in your nose. Are you ready? Do you want me to do it one at a time or both at the same time?
I think both is probably best because I don't want to be able to back out.
I see.
Yeah.
Well, then you have to be a mouth breather. I need you to, I think, wait.
Like Bella from Twilight.
I'm not sure you're allowed to say that.
Oh.
Okay. So we're rolling the little sticky in the wax. Uh-oh. I need you to hold the cup. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Is it going to be hot?
I don't think so. Tell me. Is it hot? I think we're supposed to pinch your nostril a little bit.
Are you sure you put enough on?
I think so. It's what, 90 seconds. Oh no, I need a timer. I have a timer somewhere. We'll put it down to we'll put it down to, what, 60?
69.
60. So we got a minute for that one. But now how am I going to time them both? I put a good bit of wax on here. We used way too much. I told you we didn't need that much. Was it hot, the first one?
No.
Okay. There's a string hanging out here. Wax string. Oh my goodness. Way to flare your nostril to get the stick in.
Is that helpful?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought you were mocking me.
Do you want I can't pull them both at the same time. Are you ready? We got like 15 seconds till our timer goes.
Wait. Make sure it's set.
I think it's good. Are you ready?
Why? What happened to my mustache protector? What happened to the mustache?
We're not on your mustache. That's our timer.
Ow!
Oh my god.
Oh! Oh!
We still have one to do. There's so much hair. Do you have a tissue for your eyeball? I think the other one's ready. Are you ready?
No, no! What are you talking about? Am I ready? Go!
I'm sweaty. Pull the other one. Pull it quick before it gets too dry. Oh my god. Oh my god. Matthew. Oh my god. Alright. Can I show that? Your nose. There's no wax left in your nose at least.
Is it bleeding?
I don't think so. Oh my god, this one is a little bit. Oh my god. So, we might have taken too much wax. That's his nose hair. Oh my goodness. So much. So long. That's the other one. Matthew. Oh my gosh. I didn't think it would hurt that bad. Well, it worked. Whether or not we'll be using it again is a whole nother question. Don't pick your nose up.
Just checking for blood.
I told you were bleeding a little bit. So what did you think, baby? Oh no. It got most of your stuck out hairs. We missed one right there, but I think we probably got enough of them. Look at that. So many. Anyway, would you recommend the Amazon nose hair wax, babe?
Yeah. Absolutely.
How bad did it hurt? On a scale of 1 to 10.
The worst was when you know.
Messed up and slipped.
Yeah.
I was nervous. My hands were sweaty.
It's sort of like doing that one twice.
Oh.
Yeah. But, I mean, I think that it was sort of like a jar of pickles. You loosened it up.
This was the one you pulled out. It has more. I think I had more wax on that one. But it doesn't look like there's any wax left in your nose, so that's good. We've missed a couple hairs, but I mean, when you've got big nostrils, I guess it's hard. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and also hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every time I upload. Thanks.